Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today, I'm super excited to share with you a powerhouse recipe that's as delicious as it is nutritious. We're talking about a vibrant, anti-inflammatory juice made from carrots, ginger, and turmeric. So let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about why these ingredients are so amazing. Carrots are not just crunchy and sweet, they are packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This essential vitamin helps boost your immune system and supports healthy skin. Next up, we have ginger. Ginger adds a spicy kick to your juice and is a natural anti-inflammatory. It's known for its ability to fight off infections and improve digestion. Plus, it's been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its healing properties. And last but definitely not least, the golden star of our juice, turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It's a real game changer for reducing inflammation in the body. All right, now that we know why these ingredients are so fantastic, let's get to juicing. Here's a quick and easy method to make your own anti-inflammatory carrot, ginger, and turmeric juice at home. First, you'll need about 4 to 5 large carrots. Wash them thoroughly and chop them into chunks. No need to peel them if you're using organic carrots. Next, grab a thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger. Peel it and then slice it into smaller pieces. If you like a stronger ginger flavor, feel free to add a bit more. For the turmeric, you'll need a piece about the size of your thumb, just like the ginger. Peel it and slice it into small pieces. Be careful, as turmeric can stain your hands and cutting board. Now toss all these ingredients into your juicer. If you don't have a juicer, you can also use a blender, but you'll need to strain the juice afterward to remove the pulp. Add a splash of water if needed to help everything blend smoothly. Once everything is juiced, give it a good stir and pour it into your favorite glass. For a little extra zing, you can add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a pinch of black pepper. The black pepper helps your body absorb the curcumin from the turmeric more effectively. And there you have it, a refreshing anti-inflammatory carrot, ginger, and turmeric juice that's perfect for giving your body a nourishing boost. Enjoy it in the morning to start your day on a healthy note or anytime you need a pick-me-up. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who love health and wellness tips. Stay healthy and vibrant, everyone. Catch you next time.